Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to your session. Okay children, you are all staying healthy at home, right? Yes, very good. Do take care of yourself like that only. Okay children, so we will continue our lessons. Okay, now today we are going to learn about the world of plants. We are going to learn so much about the plants today. Okay children, now you might have gone to any park. Yes, when there is a vacation with your parents, you might have gone to any park, right, to spend time with your family. Yes, yes, and even in the evening times also, after the school, you will go to park and play, right? So in the park, other than the swings and slides with whatever you play, you can see some beautiful things around you. Can you tell me what are they? Yes, they are plants in the parks. There will be lot of greenery also, right children? We can see different types of plants. Will all those plants will be in the same size? No, some will be big and some will be small. We can see different types of plants. Yes? Yes. So, based on their size and shape, plants are divided into 6 types. Okay? Based on their size and shape, plants are divided into 6 types. Okay? They are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers and water plants. Okay children, we will learn more about all these types of plants today. Okay? Now children, where will the plants grow? On the land? Yes, the plants grow on the land, isn't it children? But there are few plants which grow in water also. You might have seen such plant. Ishan, can you tell me any such plant? Yes, lotus, our national flower. So lotus plant grows in water, isn't it children? So these plants, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers grow on the land. These plants grow on land. And the water plants, they grow in water. Okay children, now you understood there are few plants that grow on land and few plants that grow in water. Now shall we go to our pictures, see the pictures and learn more about the types of plants? Come on. Yes, we will see about the world of plants. There are plants. The plants are of different types. Okay? Shall we move on? Yes. See, like teacher was telling you, these two brothers and sisters went to a park. Okay? They went to a park. Okay? After that, they were watching the plants. How they found there are different types of plants. See, this boy is asking his sister and she is telling that boy about the plants. Okay, she is telling plants are of different shapes and sizes and she asked him to find out. Then he said, see these plants, they are small. These are very small and this is big. Can you see the blue colored outline for small, very small and the big plants? Yes, so plants are divided into different types based on their shapes and sizes. Shall we move on to the next picture children? Yes, tree. You all will see trees, right? How will the trees be? Big and strong plants. Big and strong plants are called trees. See how the tree is? Trees have a thick brown stem called the trunk. This is the thick brown stem which we call as trunk. And these are all branches. These are all branches of the tree. Okay? Then trees are plants with a long stem, supporting branches and leaves. How is the tree children? You can observe it and say that it is big and strong. And where is the trunk? This thick brown stem is called the trunk. Okay children? See this? Now these trees are also have different shapes and sizes. See this tree? This is also a tree. These are also trees. And this is also a tree. Trees have different shapes and sizes. And trees which we commonly see, can you see this? Neem tree. This is a neem tree. And this is a mango tree. This is a coconut tree. All these trees we commonly see in our surroundings, isn't it, children? Yes? Now the next types of plants is shrubs. What are shrubs? Bushy plants. What are shrubs? Bushy plants. What is the meaning of bushy, children? Do you know that? Bushy is nothing but close arrangement. Okay? Now you might have seen some bouquets in which the flowers are closely arranged. The same way the tree is closely arranged. Okay? That is called a bush. Okay? Bushy plants are called shrubs. They have hard but thin stems with many branches. They too also have stems like the trees, but they will be thin, but they will be hard also. Shall we see the other pictures, children? Yes, these are the most common shrubs which we find in our surroundings. Okay, jasmine, shoe flower, it is nothing but hibiscus, rose, bougainvillea. Can you see this, children? Jasmine plant, how it is closely arranged. And hibiscus, rose, this is called close arrangement. See this bougainvillea plant, how this is closely arranged? This we call as bush. Okay, children? These plants are called bushy plants. They are shrubs. And see this? This is a tree. This is a shrub. Which one is big and which one is small? Yes, trees are big and shrubs are smaller than trees. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Shall we move to the next picture? Yes, the third type of plants is herbs. What are they? Herbs. Herbs are plants with soft and weak stems. They have soft, slender and green stems. This plant, can you identify it, children? Yes, that is a tulsi plant. Many of us have tulsi plant in our house, right, children? Yes. Now you go and observe that plant. How the plant stems will be soft, slender and green. Slender means graceful, beautiful, okay? Shining, okay, children? Now I will show few herbs also. See this? The tulsi plant, the coriander, the tomato, the mint, the lemongrass, the wheat, all these are herbs. You will always have this coriander or mint in your home, in the kitchen. Okay, children? You go and see one coriander string. You take one coriander string and see, observe its stem. It will be green. It will be thin and it will be slender. Slender means shiny. Okay, children? Will you all do that? After the session, go and see the coriander leaves in your kitchen. Okay? Shall we move on? Yes. The next type of plant is climbers. What are they? Climbers. Climbers take support and climb walls, poles and tree trunks. See how this plant is taking the support of the pole here? Yes. If you see this, climbers here, they are taking the support of wall to climb, to grow. Here it is taking the support of a pole. And here, see how they are taking the support of tree trunks? Yes, why are they taking support of these things? Because they have weak stems. Okay, the climbers have weak stems. That is why they are taking the support to climb and grow. See this picture, children? These are the different types of climbers, different examples. Grapevine, pea, money plant. Some of you might have money plant also at your home, right? Then you might have noticed your mother might have kept a support for that, might be a stick or something for the plant to climb and grow. Yes, if you all have money plant, go and check once. Okay, children? Now, the next type of plants is creepers. What is it? Creepers. Creepers grow along the ground. Creepers grow along the ground. Like climbers, creepers also have weak stems. They also can't stand without any support. They creep along the ground and grow. Why do they creep along the ground? Because they will have heavy fruits or vegetables. I will show you. See this? Watermelon. Watermelon will be heavy, isn't it, children? And bottle gourd. See the pumpkin. They will be heavy. That is why these plants creep along the ground and grow. Okay, what are different creepers here? Watermelon, bottle gourd and pumpkin. Shall we see the next type of plants? Yes, teacher was telling you, right? There are few plants that grow in water also, and we call them as water plants. What do we call them? Water plants. We also call them as aquatic plants. Aqua is nothing but water. Okay, children? But as you are still small kids, you will learn it as water plants. Okay? So the lotus, you can see the lotus here. The lotus, water lily, these two are the examples of water plants. Okay, children? Now you have seen the pictures of different types of plants, right? Shall we go back to our board? So children, now that we have seen different types of plants, we understood plants are also like us, isn't it, children? We also are of different shapes and sizes, right? We are all not same. Understood, right? That plants will have different shapes and sizes. And children, are these plants living things or not? Yes, they are living things. Why do we call them as living things? Because they also grow. Understood? They also grow. They also will have food. What is their food? They'll have water. Isn't it, children? We will learn more about this when we discuss the parts of the plant. Okay? Okay, so watch the video again so that you can understand better about different types of plants. Okay, children? Take care. Bye.